Hey guys!
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys!
I know you missed us.
Hello.
Actually, we have some newcomers to our channel. This is
Shut up!
That's Shepherd Star.
Ari, Audrey.
Yeah.
Oh my
Okay.
god. And
That's
this is Pooter. And
Yeah,
this
that's
is
Pooter.
Okay, okay.
I'm just gonna keep pushing you.
This
I'm just
is-
gonna keep.
This is
Hey, man.
This is Palua Heaven. And everyone knows Jordan from my last video a year ago. Anyway. Okay, hey guys, sorry it's dark. I had to hide from them to say this, but I'm about to come out to them because they have no idea that I'm lesbian, so I think they'll be perfectly fine with it. I mean, we don't really talk about that stuff, so but we'll see. Hey, we're back.
Hey.
Just had to freshen up.
Okay, what's our video gonna be?
Okay, so I actually have something to tell you guys.
What?
It's kind of serious, and I wanted to do it over the video because I thought it would be good content.
Are we gonna be mad?
No,
Yeah, is it something bad?
Yeah.
it's not.
Are you sure?
No, I think you guys are gonna be happy for me.
Hilo, you gotta be listening.
Yeah, you have to listen. This is okay.
Girl, you're on your phone.
Can you
And
come over
Aubrey.
here? Please, because this is really serious to me.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I feel like it's gonna be something
Scared.
bad.
Yeah, I know. I
I'm
feel like you're
scared.
gonna. I know. Do you like
yeah,
someone?
like, did you like get with one of our exes?
Yeah. Do you have a boyfriend?
No,
or
it's
something?
nothing like that.
Oh.
Actually, I was about to say that. Oh my god, I can't do this. Okay.
Yeah, we're not gonna.
You said we're not gonna get mad, so.
Yeah.
I'm into girls.
What?
What?
I'm lesbian.
You're funny. It's a
No,
prank.
okay,
You're
okay.
No,
pranking
it's
us.
not.
Funny. That's gross.
Yeah. Do you have like a crush on me or something?
I
feel
don't
uncomfortable.
want it.
Are you guys
No.
kidding?
No.
I don't want to.
Like, I'm not.
Like, yeah.
Like, I'm
I'm
being.
gonna text my mom.
Yeah, I think I should get picked
What
up.
the
Can I go to one
fuck?
of your guys'
Yeah.
houses?
I didn't know you're lesbian.
Yeah, let's go
You
to
might
my
have like a
house.
crush on me.
Like,
I don't have a
you might
fucking
try
crush
to
on
do
you
something
guys.
with.
No. I don't want to be in it anymore.
I don't. I just.
Fucking.
Okay, so that didn't go as planned. I don't really know what I expected, but yeah, they left. Thanks for watching.